this is Paul. Yeah. hmm You know, it's really a very mean thing to do to a respondent. Yeah. To obstruct them from bankruptcy. See, on September 8th of 2011, yeah, my wife had a couple confidential reports in sealed envelopes that she submitted to court. Yes. That more than likely, considering what I've learned about these confidential reports, yeah, they were probably done before she petitioned the court for a temporary protection order. Now, when it says sealed envelope, yeah, similar to an expungement, right? Evidence, pooh. I would think for me to be able to bankrupt myself, I would need to have a copy of everything in there. Now, she could have put some financial documentation in there, something that the judge would have wanted to know. Yes. About why does Paul Budnick want a bankruptcy? And considering I didn't submit to the court any financial documentation, I thought my wife was really sticking it to me. Yeah. She said that I made all the financial decisions. Right. But it's a community debt state, and when it's $180,000 of unsecured debt, after the dissolution of marriage, I probably would have bankrupted myself. Yes. So as to reestablish my credit, right, and begin to pay child support. Oh, now, here's another case information sheet. Oh, confidential report in a sealed envelope. I don't know what it says. Yes, I wasn't given a copy of it. But for any individual that goes through a dissolution of marriage where family law allows for you to seal as private, yes, from the public, known as the credit report or maybe the background check, I think there are some judges that want to know what happened during the dissolution of marriage. Might be one of these bankruptcy judges. Yeah. Why is it that you think that I shall allow you to, well, disperse with all your unsecured debt when you get a dissolution of marriage? Well, Judge, here's the problem. Yes, it is. My wife petitioned the court for dissolution of marriage. Right. She had me arrested. Ooch! And then they renewed the protection order. The problem was I never got notice of court hearings after that. Yes. I never got any of the documentation in the confidential report in a sealed envelope. Yes. I never got a dissolution of marriage. Yes. I never got notice of the settlement conference setting hearing on December 31st of 2012. And I don't know what is underneath the sealed confidential report cover sheet. Now, it's difficult for the respondent, yes, to be able to use the judicial system of this great nation.